Install a car seat belt extender. Cars, pickups, luxury, or not, are designed with the general or majority consumers in mind. That means that vehicles are designed for the average height, the average weight and the average wingspan of the average consumer. Sometimes though, there are vehicles designed for the bigger consumers. These designs though do not cater to everyone else's taste. And that is why some cars though built for the average Joe are bought by those who do not fit the dimensions. It is everyone's right to buy whatever vehicle that they want, but sometimes it affects the functions of some of the car's parts like the seat belt. But worry not, now you can buy the car you want and still benefit from the safety brought to you by seat belts. Here are some tips on how to install a car seat belt extender. Buckle up. Before you install your car seat belt extender, you should be ready to take on this project. You will need a car seat belt extender that is universal, adjustable wrench and the proper seat belt extender hardware. Seat belts are made to save lives. So if you are going to adjust it, make sure that you keep its core purpose intact. The reason for doing this extension is so that the seat belt can still save lives despite its limitation. It is imperative that you do things properly. Get an extender. You cannot extend your seat belt if you do not have a seat belt extender. You can get one on local shops or online car parts sites. Here are some online sites where you can get a universal car seat belt extender: J.C. Whitney or Wesco Performance. These websites offer variants in 6 inches or 12 inches. So choose the variant that will best work for you and order. The kit should come with the hardware, which includes nuts, washers, and sometimes the instruction manual. Install the extender. The first step in installing the car seat belt extender is to look for the end of the belt that is non-retractable. This is the portion of the seat belt that is attached to a mount beside the car seat bottom. With the help of your wrench, remove the washer and nut attached to the seat belt mount. Place the washer and the nut of the seat belt mount back in place as soon as you put the bent end of the seat belt extender on the bolt. Make sure that the nut is tight enough to save lives. Bolt the belt in. Get the bolt that comes with your seat belt extender kit. Insert the bolt through the leveled side of the extender. That done, insert it through the metal component of the old seat belt. To do this right, position the flat side of the bolt facing the seat. Before you walk away from your newly extended seat belt, make sure that every bolt and washer is tightened well. If you have done that, then it is time to hit the road.